Friends, today's video shortcuts to do a research. Simple way to do a research. How to prepare that as a research paper. In a research paper, to publish a research paper, this content we need to prepare. Introduction of the research, review of literature, research methodology, data analysis, findings, suggestions. First thing, selecting the right topic. What is right topic? A new topic, interesting topic, benefit to the people, to the society. Let's see today's video. I take one topic and I give some idea, my suggestion, my view, how to do a research on this topic and how to prepare as a research paper. Let's see this topic, a study on online teaching practices adopted by CBSE school for the classes up to 7th at Coimbatore district. This is my topic. Yes, everything clearly mentioned in the topic. Which place, which school, whether it is matriculation or whether it is state board or whether it is CBSE. So for me it is only CBSE. For which class? From class up to 7th standard. So from 1st standard to 7th standard. About online teaching. So I am going to do a research now. How I am doing? Just I explain in a simple way. First thing, introduction. In introduction page, I am going to write introduction for one page. In that one page, this information I am going to given. What are the information? Why I choose this topic? What motivate me to do research on this topic? What is my interest? Historical information about online teaching. When online teaching started in the world, in India, in Tamil Nadu. Likewise, I collect some information. I say that as a historical information in my introduction part. Second, why I am doing, my objectives. What result I am going to expect, what results I am going to expect at the end of my research. That is my research question. Second thing, I want to collect minimum 20 research article for writing a minimum of 3 to 5 review. In my research paper, I am going to give 3 to 5 review. For giving that review, I want to collect minimum 20 articles I want to read and then I write as a review. How to write review? My previous video, the link is given here. Research design. Yes, it is descriptive. Characteristics of people. People's opinion we are collecting. Non-probability. Population is infinite. I am going to do as non-probability. Convenience sampling I am choose for my research. Supporting information. How many schools are in Coimbatore district? This is the list from the internet I collected. I am going to do opinion survey. Through collecting information, collect the opinion from the parents. From the parents of CBSE schools class 1 to 7. What the parents, students feel, what is their opinion, that I collected through my questionnaire. This is the questionnaire. This is I create my question in Google form. Let's see. The Google form is opening now. Google form is opening. So in that Google form questionnaire, my questionnaire survey among CBSE school parents. Which class your student is studying? Mode of attending online classes. Smartphone, laptop, which mode? Whether parents help required for attending online class. Number of hours per day. Students' interest towards the class. Rank the factors. So I frame some 10 questions for my research. That I do it and I save it in my Google form. That is, I am going to circulate through WhatsApp and collect the information. Yes, I collect the data from the people, from the parents, collect the information. Then I am going to do data analysis. Data analysis, I am not going to use more number of tools. I use only minimum tool, whichever option, whichever is very suitable for my study, whichever is very suitable for my study, whichever is easy for me, I choose. So I do simple percentage, then I do chi-square. Here chi-square I compare. I will do the hypothesis testing. Which class your son or daughter studying and their satisfaction. Class study and satisfaction towards online class. Is there any relationship or not? That I compare in my, that I did by using chi-square. Spearman rank correlation. The rank correlation method tool I used to calculate the rank for the ranking questionnaire. Yes, I collect the data, analyze by using the right tools, then I note down what is actually happening. That is findings. That is the findings. Suggestions. So what my ideas? So I will suggest some ideas to the CBSE schools, to the government for implementing the online teaching effectively. Thank you, friends. So this everything I written, I will draft it in my Word document. Now research paper is ready for publishing. Thank you, friends. Watch my videos, like it, give your comments, subscribe my channel. Thank you.